everyone, my name is Pui San. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I normally do my carrot cake with lemon cream cheese frosting. I've already prepared the ingredients for the carrot cake, so I'm going to show you the dry ingredients first, which is this is the AP flour. We have cinnamon powder, salt, and baking soda. Then we have brown sugar and white sugar, which is custard sugar. Then followed by the wet ingredients, we have the canola oil, eggs. We have the main ingredients, which is the carrot, freshly grated carrots, walnuts, and raisins. So ingredients are ready. So let's start by combining this AP flour with the salt, cinnamon powder, and baking soda. After I mix the dry ingredients, now I move on to the wet ingredients. So I already put in the canola oil, vanilla essence with the sugars. Then I mix it with eggs one at a time, so until it well mixed. So once it's already well mixed, you add in this flour into 3 parts. So then you fold it. So right after I already done folding in the mixture, I'm going to start to put the main ingredients, the freshly grated carrots, the raisins, and the walnuts. And you continue mix it until it combines. So now the mixture is already done. Now I'm going to transfer this loaf tin into a preheated oven for 175